I'm in, I just went through Hosford. It is really bad there. All right, this is Bristol. Behind me, there was cars flipped over. The skeleton of a house with no roofs, a couple of them. This is, amazing. Like, the destruction on all this, it's going to require so much construction. I'm making my way across to Panama City Beach. Wondering how far I'll be out of reach. Just different things that struck my chord. Just amazed at all the discord. Signing off. Oh, hold up. Gonna do a time warp with me as we cross this bridge. The Apalachicola River. Oh, up over the ridge. Do 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 do. Trying to remember the music to that old thing that we used to watch. This is the Apalachicola River though, and our time has changed, so we just jumped an hour in a millisecond. I love y'all so very much.